to fix ESPN Plus stream not playing during games. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, check your TV provider link. If you're accessing via your TV provider, what you can do is log out and re-authenticate your TV provider in settings and see if that helped. That did not help, then you can try to adjust your stream quality. What you can do is lower your stream resolution from auto or high to medium if the bandwidth is congested. So after doing all of that, if that did not help, then try to restart the streaming app. What you can do is go back and then from the bottom of your home screen, swipe up, and then simply you'll be able to see these pop up. Swipe it up in order to remove it from background running. Then you can simply reopen the application. I'm pretty sure that will help, right? So after doing all of that, that did not help, then you can try to disable any local ad blocker. You can turn off the network level ad blocking. For example, it could be Pi-hole or something like that, or browser extension that block your video from tokens too. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you'll actually be able to fix your ESPN Plus stream not playing during game.